Fast construction workers demonstrate exceptional skills that are crucial for meeting tight project deadlines while maintaining high-quality standards. Their expertise spans various trades, enabling them to execute tasks with precision and efficiency. These professionals excel in time management, adaptability, and problem-solving, allowing them to address unforeseen challenges without compromising safety or workmanship. Their ability to collaborate seamlessly with other team members ensures streamlined operations, minimizing delays and maximizing productivity. Ultimately, fast construction workers embody a balance of speed, skill, and dedication, making them invaluable assets to any construction project.